How to upgrade weapons in Hunting Sniper. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are playing Hunting Sniper and want to make your weapon stronger, first of all open the Hunting Sniper app on your device. From the main home screen, go ahead and tap on the weapon icon from the bottom. Once you're inside this gun menu, select the weapon you want to upgrade or choose the weapon where you see the upgrade button. After tapping on it, on the next page, tap on this 100 button to upgrade, and that way you will be able to upgrade your weapon. So that is how it's done. Simply find the upgrade button and tap on it, and you're required to spend some coins in it. Just tap on the coin option that is required of you, and the upgrade process will be completed. So that's it. Your upgraded weapon is now ready for the next challenge. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.